Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the indoor security camera from Cinemore. I love this camera, guys. If you have a child at home and you want to keep an eye on him when you're doing chores, or if you're not home and you want to keep an eye on your house, this is perfect. The camera quality is amazing. It looks HD. It also rotates 360, so you can just move the little head or the little camera literally all the way around. You can also look down, you can look up, you can make it look all around your room. Now, you do have to have it connected, so it does come with a cable. Also, if you have a little kid at home and you're not home and they want to call you, all they have to do is just press this button. It's already connected to your phone, so it's going to call your phone and you can answer it and talk to them through the camera. You can also put it on sleep mode. It has a privacy mask option. You see like the little mask there in the eyes. That way it's not recording. You have some privacy at home. It's a great security camera for your kids, for your house if you're going to leave it by itself and you want to keep an eye on your house. And yeah, guys, I would definitely recommend this security camera.